Sproutlets. I'm Bean, and I'm with Super Sproutlets Kendall and Celeste and her dad in their sports candy kitchen. My hands are scrubbed up clean.
Mine too.
Let's get cooking. I see gelatin and oranges. Oranges are Sproutastic sports candy because they help us go, go, go. So what are we making today?
Sports candy smiles.
Sports candy smiles? How do we make them?
Well, first we juice the oranges.
Whoa, look at all that juice. Now we've got an orange bowl. What do we do with the gelatin?
We add it to the juice. We have a pitcher mixed already.
Time to pour.
Whoa, making sports candy smiles is so much fun. Now what?
Let's put it in the fridge.
Let's call Sporticus while we wait for our sports candy smiles to set. Hello, Sporticus. It's Bean. Everything is under control. Here in the sports candy kitchen, we're making sports candy smiles. They'll be sure to give you a happy face.